Welcome. In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness and tap on it. And then find the option called sleep. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, and that's about all. So we have from 5 up to 20 seconds. So select the one you like, for example, 15 seconds, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the middle button to go back to watch face, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 15 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the power. And it should be quite soon, I would say right about now. Yeah. Okay. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.